In this video, I'll show you how to download and install apps on your Xiaomi TV box quickly and easily. Step 1. Power on your Xiaomi TV box. Connect your Xiaomi TV box to your TV and power it on. Make sure it's connected to the internet via Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Step 2. Open the Google Play Store. On the home screen, navigate to the Google Play Store app and open it. Step 3. Search for apps. Use the remote to type the name of the app you want to download in the search bar. You can also use voice search if your remote supports it. Step 4. Download and install. Select the app from the search results. Click Install. Wait a few moments while the app downloads and installs. Step 5. Open the installed app. Once installed, you can open the app right from the Play Store page by clicking Open. Or go back to the home screen and find the app in your app list. Tips. You can also install apps using APK files if you enable unknown sources and settings, but be careful with this method. Keep your Xiaomi TV box updated for the best app compatibility. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Xiaomi TV box tips and tutorials.